Hi, it's Hard Reset, and today I'll show you how to install products on BitDefender. So first, on your dashboard or My Devices, click Install Protection on your device. Here is the privacy, security, and once again privacy. Here you have Total Security, Premium VPN, and Secure Pass. And just click Install, Download, and here you can download the Chrome extension. So click Add to Chrome and Add Extension. And when you're installing, for example, a Total Security, click Install, Download, and it started downloading automatically. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.